What's good, blending enthusiasts? Are you ready to find out the top 5 blenders of 2023 that will be sure to elevate your culinary game? Well, in today's video, we'll break down these blenders, highlighting their pros and what sets each of them apart, along with a realistic drawback to help you make the perfect choice. So, let's dive in. First up, we have the KitchenAid K150. It's a budget-friendly option, priced at $100 and onwards, making it a fantastic pick for those on a budget. With a 48-ounce low-profile jar, it fits under most cabinets effortlessly. Now, what sets the KitchenAid K150 apart from other blenders is its compact size and affordability. It's just perfect for small kitchens and offers 3 speed settings, including an ice crush setting, giving you versatility in your blending tasks. It also features the IntelliSpeed motor for consistent results. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a total breeze. On the downside, some users have noted that it provides a slightly more coarse texture, and its motor might not be as powerful as some of the pricier options. Next in line is the Breville Fresh and Furious blender, priced at $199 and up. This blender is a real winner with its one-touch, preset buttons. What's unique about the Breville Fresh and Furious blender is its user-friendly interface and the convenience of one-touch presets. It's incredibly quiet, perfect for early morning smoothie making. Users rave about its ability to create smooth and silky smoothies. And the best part? It's a breeze to clean, and yes, it's dishwasher safe. Plus, you get a 50-ounce jar to blend up a storm. One drawback, though, is that it doesn't come with as many accessories as some might want, but that's a minor hiccup compared to its stellar performance. Now, let's talk about the Vitamix Explorian E310. Priced at $289, it's a high-powered, large-capacity blender for the blending enthusiast in you. What's really cool about the Vitamix Explorian E310 is its raw power and versatility. With 10 speed settings and a pulse feature, it offers unparalleled flexibility. It creates velvet-like smoothies and handles a wide range of tasks, from sauces to frozen desserts. Plus, it's got a 48-ounce jar and a self-cleaning feature. On the flip side, it's not dishwasher safe, and its blades aren't detachable, which can make cleaning a bit tricky. Also, it's known to be a bit noisy, so keep that in mind during those early morning smoothie sessions. Here's the Vitamix 5200, priced at $479 and more. It's known for its reliability and durability, making it a long-term investment. Vitamix 5200 is pretty much known for its rugged build and dependability. With a wide variety of speed settings, it's perfect for multi-purpose use. You'll appreciate its 64-ounce jar, stainless steel construction, and BPA-free materials. It also provides smoother blends, and a tamper is included. However, it lacks preset buttons and a digital touchscreen, which some users might miss. But its performance more than makes up for it. Finally, we have the Oster Versa Pro Series blender, coming in at $199 and onwards. It's another budget-friendly option with some serious power. What sets the Oster Versa Pro Series blender apart is its affordability and robust motor. It boasts a high-powered 1400-watt motor, runs quietly, and offers a wide range of speed settings. A tamper is also included for those thick blends. Plus, it features a 64-ounce jar and comes with a generous 7-year warranty. While it's user-friendly, some might find it a tad bulky compared to the other options. But hey, that's the price of power. There you have it, guys. Our top 5 blenders of 2023, each with its own unique strengths. Don't forget to check the links in the description below to find out more about these blenders and their latest prices. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content. And if you've used any of these blenders, share your thoughts in the comments section below. Happy blending, and we'll see you in the next video.